Hey guys, and welcome back to WePlugin. In this video, we'll talk about listing design for Google Maps. Let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to WePlugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for listing design for Google Maps and install this plugin. Just hit download, now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro and click on Manage Maps. Now click on this pen icon. Now scroll to bottom. Now, as you can see, we have the option for listing design for Google Maps. Just click on it. Now we have enable map, zoom on hover. Just enable this and adjust the zoom level as per your liking. Now just hit save. Now if I go back to map page and hit refresh, you might not see any changes, but if I hover my mouse to any listing, you can see map is zoomed to that listing location and show details, but this is not good for this. So just hit refresh. So everything will be back to default. Now let's go back and enable this layouts on map. Now here you can select any layout design you like. I'll choose this one and hit save. Now if we go back and hit refresh, we can see the changes. Now we can easily hover through different listing. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.